Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable model watermark in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this TECNO Pouvoir 4 and you are confused when you're going to take a picture in your smartphone. And if you go, for example, I'm taking this picture, and then if you go the preview, you're going to notice that there is not appear model watermark. Again, I'm taking a picture, and then if I go preview that picture, I'm going to see there is not appear model watermark. You might be want to enable a model watermark in your TECNO Pouvoir 4. In order to do that, you need to click this gear icon. After click over there, you're going to see here auto watermark. If I'm going to turn this on, and let me go back and let me try to take a picture right now. And just now I take a picture. If I go the preview, I'm going to see here it's appear model watermark. It's like this is the white place, but if you notice that this is the model. Well, let me take another picture, the dark skin. Okay, this one, and then if I go back preview, now you can see it's a little bit clear, better than this one. It's appear the model watermark TECNO AI camera. So this is how we can easily enable model watermark in your TECNO Pouvoir. Now you might be want to disable. You can go again gear icon. Anytime you can easily turn this on or off. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.